Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to move buttons in Shopify. So this can be useful if you want to adjust the layout for your store and place a button where it fits better. Just keep in mind that the options you see can be different depending on the Shopify theme that you are using. Once you're inside the Shopify theme editor, find the section that contains the button that you want to change, and on the left panel, click the button block so that it becomes selected. And from here, you can move the button within that section by dragging the block up or down in the left panel. So this changes its order compared to the other blocks inside the same section. And when I select the button on my end, settings on the right let me change the button label, link, whether the link opens in a new tab, the button style, colors, and its desktop and mobile width. So these settings may look different depending on the theme that you are using. Once the button is in the position that you want, check the preview to make sure everything looks right, then save your changes, and that's basically how you can move and adjust a button on Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.